of Parliament from all sides, leaders from all sides, that we have 5 million of our young people out of school without jobs. 800,000 young people join them in the labor market every year. I was looking at the budget last night. 628 billion will be spent in the education of our children in this year's budget, from primary school all the way to our universities. Yet, it is important for us to figure out how this investment will yield results for us as a nation. We all agree that our manufacturing, which we anticipated would go from 9% to 15%, has instead gone